Today on 60-second favourites, we're going to be taking a look at the IP 24/7 Colour CCTV range by ESP. So let's get these products unboxed and check them out. The CCTV kits from ESP have you covered when it comes to security. The main feature of these products is it allows you to see full colour even at night rather than just black or white. They come complete with an NVR, IP weatherproof cameras, cables and system power supplies, and either 2 or 4 camera kit options available with dome, bullet or white or grey finish. Our Recoil IP cameras are HD 2 megapixel resolution for viewing and recording, whereas the HD View IP cameras are 5 and 8 megapixel. Again, all of these are available in both dome and bullet in either a white finish or grey finish. They feature a wide LED and IR function for 24/7 colour images, giving you peace of mind any time of the day or night. The kit comes with a 4-channel IP PoE NVR. Now this has a pre-installed 1TB surveillance hard drive. Remote monitoring is also available via a smartphone app or PC, and this NVR has 3 record modes. You've got continuous, scheduled and motion. At ESP, your safety and security are at the forefront of the products we provide. If you want to find out more from us here at ESP, then check out the website at espuk.com. We'll also put a link in the description, and if you like these 60-second favourite videos, please remember to like, subscribe and hit the notification button below.